You know what would be a really good idea? If we could find a way to capture changes to the coastline throughout the years, but make it like a community project. Well, that's kind of what CoastSnap is. Yeah, that's something there. So, if you have a smartphone, which almost everyone does, you can help. Currently, this is the second CoastSnap point in Montego Bay, located at the Pier 1 complex. The other is at Doctor's Cave Beach at the pier by the Cameron. One will also be placed at the Montego Bay Yacht Club, the future home office of the Montego Bay Marine Park. So, how does this work? It's simple. You place your phone in the special CoastSnap mount, take a photo of the coast and upload it. Over time, all those photos from different people are combined to track how the coastline is changing, like erosion, beach movement, or even damage from storms. It's like crowdsourced science. Every photo you take adds to the bigger picture. And just like that, you're helping scientists and planners protect our beaches and marine life. So next time you pass by, just snap a pic now. You'll be a part of something big just by taking one small shot. So where else do you think we should put a CoastSnap point? And read a caption for more information. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and share. Thanks for watching.